Okay. Now the third one, wa inna. Wa is connector. Wa is connector. Inna is harf of nasb, and ka is which type of pronoun? Which type of pronoun? Attached pronoun. So jar, either jar or nasb. And because it's coming after a harf of nasb, so it is nasb. So innaka is harf of nasb and it's ism. Ismu inna. This is mubtada. Then over la is not li, right? So this is not harf of jar. La is lam tawqeed. Lam tawqeed, and when it comes with inna, it has a special name, lam jahad or lam muzahalqa. But you don't go into the detail. Just keep in mind this la is la for tawqeed, emphasis. This is emphatic lam. And ala ba ta kaf lam waw min fi an ala hatta ila. So ala is harf of jar. Yes, ala is harf of jar. And then we have khuluqin. Ala is harf of jar. Then we have khuluqin, which is ism majroor, ism in jar status. So ala khuluqin is harf of jar fragment, which is mbk, right? mbk. And then khuluqin azimin. Khuluqin azimin. Hello? Yes, khuluqin azimin. Do you see a fragment over here? Is it chained with some fragment, kind of fragment? Idafa or most? Yes, again, mawsuf sifa. So this is chained together. This khuluqin is mawsuf and azimin is sifa. Wa innaka la'ala khuluqin azimin. So this is chain. Now we have lillahi, which is mbk in the beginning. Then we have khazainus samawati wal ardi, which is mubtada. So in all these three segments, do you see a blue color? Which is like we are putting blue color for khabar. So you don't see blue over here. So the khabar is not there. It is not mentioned. So this mbk is kind of supporting the khabar. The treasure of the sky and the earth are only for Allah. Are only for Allah. And fiha kutubun qayyima. In that there are books that are straightened, fixed, right? And then wa innaka, certainly indeed you are, you have or you are upon the best of the manners. The best of the manner, right? So wa innaka la'ala khuluqin azimin. So over here we have mbk and mubtada. mbk and mubtada, right? So this is not a type of khabar, but a condition in which khabar is absent. So mbk is supporting, providing some kind of added information. Okay. Now, so far we learned different types of khabar, and then again just revise that a typical Jumlah Ismiyah, the regular form of Jumlah Ismiyah is when in a Jumlah Ismiyah there is a mubtada, khabar and muta'alliq bil khabar. And these are the examples. Wa is connector or istinafiya. So wa is separate and huwa is independent pronoun. Huwa allazi. This is again ism mawsul, again ism, and it is connected to huwa. I'm not going into the detail, just see huwa, he, the one. Huwa allazi, he, the one. So actually it is allazi is coming as the sifa of huwa, but I'm not going into the detail because we haven't done ism mawsul yet, right? So huwa allazi is the mubtada because it is chained together. They both are chained together. Huwa allazi is the mubtada. Then we have khalaqas samawati wal arda, samawati wal arda fi sittati ayyam. Khalaqas samawati wal arda. We can say that this is khabar. This is khabar. And this is mutaliq bil khabar. Khabar is jumla failure, so this is mutaliq bil fail in jumla failure. Then we have Laylatul Qadri khayrum min alfi shahr. Laylatul Qadri. Laylatu is first ism in Jumlah Ismiyah, Mubtada. But is it alone or it is connected to Al-Qadri? Is it alone or connected to Al-Qadri? Al-Qadri is mudaf ilayh, right? So this is connected to Al-Qadri, mudaf, Laylatul Qadri, both making as idafa component, both making as mubtada, coming as mubtada. Khairun is one word khabar, right? One word mufrad khabar. And then min is harf jar, alfi is ism majroor. Min alfi shahrin. Better than the 1,000 shahrin, 1,000 months. Yes, this is month is also is the what is that? To alfi. Shahrin is connected to alfi, and so the whole thing is mutaliq bil khabar. Hold on. This one, yes. The whole thing is mutaliq bil khabar. This is tamiz. Shahrin is tamiz to this other. So min, this whole thing is connected. Min alfi shahr. So mubtada, khabar, mutaliq bil khabar. Then over here, huwa al-qahiru, huwa, again, mubtada, huwa is mubtada, independent pronoun, detached pronoun. This is mutaliq bil khabar. Yes, huwa is mubtada, al-qahiru, he is the subjugator, controller, the subjugator. Al-qahiru is khabar, one word khabar, and fawqa is what? Fawqa is harf jar or special mudaf? Fawqa is harf jar or special mudaf? It is a special mudaf of place. Fawqa ibadihi. Ibadihi is mudaf ilayh. Yes, fawqa is a special mudaf. Ibadihi is mudaf ilayh. So this combination is the MBK. So that this is the regular form of Jumlah Ismiyah, in which we have Mubtada, Khabar, and then Muta'alliq bil Khabar. Mubtada, Khabar, Muta'alliq bil Khabar. Mubtada, Khabar, Muta'alliq bil Khabar. And then we have in this sentence, Inna Allaha alimum bizatis sudur. Again, Inna Allaha, Inna harf of nasb, and Allaha ismi jalala, it's ism. Both are making mubtada, then alimun is one word khabar, khabar mufrad, and then bizati sudur. B harf jar, zati ism majroor, and zati is again mudaf, and as-suduri is mudaf ilayh. So we have two different fragments chained together. Bizati is harfjar ism majroor, and then bizati is jar majroor, and then we have zati sudur is mudaf ilayh. Okay, so zati sudur is mudaf ilayh. So, and both are what making together? Both are making muta'alliq bil khabar. So again, mubtada, khabar, muta'alliq bil khabar, right? So this is the typical regular form of Jumlah Ismiyah, in which we have Mubtada, Khabar, Muta'alliq bil Khabar. Why it is important to know the regular form? Why it is important to know the regular form of Jumlah Ismiyah? Because, let me see the chat window. Because if there is any change in the regular form, it will affect the translation, the meaning of the ayah. Okay, so if the mubtada is displaced later, mubtada muakhar, then this gives high emphasis in the sentence. If this muta'alliq bil khabar comes in earlier in the sentence, initially in the sentence, then again this is this gives exclusivity or emphasis in the sentence. Okay, so let's go further down. And then, okay, this is exercise. We can do exercise, inshallah, in our interactive session. Okay, inshallah. Let me close the recording. Yeah, stop the recording. And inshallah, we'll see in the next lesson. And this exercise, we are going to do interactively.